5 long years across the endless sea, just a phone screen between you and me. I counted the days, I saved every dime, living on hope and Fiji time, dreaming of Suva, the rain on the roof. My love for you was my only truth. I pictured you waiting, wearing your smile, just a little more time, just another mile. 30 days left till I boarded that flight. Had the ring in my pocket ready to make it right. I was gonna ask your father, do it respectfully, bring the icona, build our family. But the lolly drum beats a different song today. I got the call that washed my whole world away. They say you were white, a salu salu so sweet, but another man was standing there at your feet. Your parents chose him, the papers assigned. 5 years of promises left far behind. I'm 1 month away from bending my knee, and my VT flower is lost to the sea. They say it's tradition, the families know best, an arranged union to put the elders at rest. But what about the nights we whispered our plans? Now you're wearing a ring from another man's hands. I stare at this ticket, the date circled in red, while the ghosts of our future are spinning in my head. The tango is empty, the kava tastes bitter. My heart has been shattered like glass in the river. 30 days left till I was supposed to be there. Now I'm drowning in silence, breathing cold air. I was gonna ask your father, I was coming back home. Now I'm stuck on this side of the ocean alone. Cause the lolly drum beats a different song today. I got the call that washed my whole world away. They say you were white, a salu salu so sweet, but another man was standing there at your feet. Your parents chose him, the papers assigned. 5 years of promises left far behind. I'm 1 month away from bending my knee, and my VT flower is lost to the sea. I can't fight your parents, I know how it goes. Respect for the culture is the only way it flows. But Lord, it's a heavy, heavy burden to bear, to love you so fiercely and know you're not there. I hope he treats you right, I hope you find peace while my tears fall down and the memories cease. Most, my darling,